Hello homeowners, your LG washer is leaking from the door gasket and now you're debating if it's worth fixing or should you simply buy a new washer. In this video I will answer that particular question. Hey, I'm Garrick. I run my appliance repair business here in Calgary. On my YouTube channel, I post a video for you with the tips on how to maintain your home appliances and what can go wrong with your appliance if it's acting up. Please subscribe and let's talk about the door gasket replacement process. Here we got an LG washer with a leaking door gasket.
Customer complaint was that their washing machine was leaking. It leaked less on larger loads and more on smaller. As you can see, we have a hole in the door gasket here, just this little hole, and that'll cause quite a big problem.
If you're wondering why it happened, why you have got a hole in the rubber piece of your lovely LG washer, I have a separate video on this matter. So the door gasket replacement is a routine job for us. It happens all the time and me and my technicians have all of the tools to get it replaced. Here is how we're doing that. First of all, we unplug. So the second thing, you take the lid out, you take the front panel out, the door out, and now you have a good access to the door gasket to replace it. Before doing that, the door gasket is holding by the clamp on the front side and on the rear side. Take both of the clamps out.
These are tools that are designed for removing the gasket off these washing machines.
Put the new one, and after we make sure that the door gasket is nice and sealed, we put everything back together.
This is the tricky part of getting this back on here. Double check. Make sure it's right. There we go.
Now you're asking yourself, is it worth replacing that? Especially if your washer is not a brand new and it might be like 8-10 years old. I will give you an example of how much it may cost you here in Calgary. The door gasket replacement for the LG washer will cost you somewhere in between of $320 and up to $400, depends on the model. To buy a new washer similar to that, you will have to spend roughly $1,000 to $1,300 plus the delivery fee, the recycle fee, and installation. So overall it might cost you somewhere in between $1,200 and $1,500 Canadian dollars. And most likely you will not be able to find a washer that will be matching your existing dryer. So either you'll buy a dryer as well or keep two different models. Some people will find that it will look odd. So if the door gasket leakage is the only issue with the washer, I would say go ahead and get it replaced. It's a quick and easy for a professional. If you want replacing by yourself, it all depends on how handy you are. You can easily spend the entire day doing that, and for us it's about 1 hour of work.
Alright, so we've replaced the leaking gasket, and now to fire up and give it a test.
If you still have any questions, drop them in the comments, smash the like, subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.